Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This time I am finishing off the cave dwellers with the Cyclops. He has been primed in German Panzer Grey and I am starting off with dark flesh tone for all of his skin, which is the majority of this mini. I'm going for a darker skin tone this time around to see if I can get the colours nailed down so I can repeat them. If you have any mini suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you want to ask me live, I stream on Facebook and Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. I now move on to the next layer of the skin using werewolf fur. This is covering the majority of the skin again, just so that I'm leaving that dark flesh tone in the recessed areas. I next finish up the skin using dirt splatter for the highlight of the uppermost areas and some of the sharper edges such as the eyebrows and the nose. And that will be the skin finished. Now I used leather brown to do the leather straps and his loincloth. I then used bone white to his eye and all of the string he's got around him. Now for the metallics, using Azure Magic for the 2 pendants and his earring. Next, I used Magic Blue for his eye. With the bulk of the mini finished, I used Dark Stone to do the rock he is holding and the top of the base. While waiting for the dark stone on the base to dry, I used matte black to finish his eye and do the rim of the base. Now that the stone is dry, I used cold grey to touch up the rock a bit and give it a bit more of a stone look. I also coloured some of the bricks and this on the base. Next, I moved on to the washer using Flesh Wash for the entire mini apart from his loincloth. You can try to avoid the straps on his arm, but Flesh Wash has enough brown in it that it just works fine on there. The final wash is strong tone for his loincloth, the stone and the base. And that will be it for the Cyclops. I think the dark skin tone turned out pretty good and will definitely give this combo another go at some point. If you want to see high-res images of this guy, check out my Facebook or Instagram pages. Also, if you have any suggestions, you can drop them in the comments below. If you want to ask me live or just hang out and chat, I stream on Facebook and Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.